We're testing out Sage. Let's take a look. Integrate. What are we integrating? The natural log. Again, in Sage, that's log. That's the natural log of x. Whoops, I made a mistake. I'm actually looking at what I'm typing. That's why I know I made a mistake, by the way. And we're going to divide by x minus 1. Let's see. The variable is x. And we're going to start at 0. And we're going to go to 1. And let's see what happens. Wow, 1/6 of a pi squared. Now, certainly we went through the work. I want to claim to you, it was not an easy problem. We went through it. We had to look back over, some of our information we learned in our pre-calculus, geometric sequences and series. And we had, in the pre-calculus, you had the finite infinite. A really nice series. We're moving into calculus 2, though. And, for the most part, it's not a bad series. We got that over here for this problem over here. It was work, though. We got there. But I'll be honest with you, this is where I got here, and this is the thing I said, oh, that was a really famous problem. And I want to write that down for you. So sum, now I'm going to define a variable. Let me clear the screen for you. So n is a variable. I'll put that down. And I'm going to write down, let's say sum, S-U-M, 1 divided by n squared. N is the counter. The counter starts at 1, and it goes off to infinity. For me to type infinity in Sage, I like to do OO, because that looks like the infinity. But that's actually the letter OO. It looks like an infinity. What do I get over there? 1/6 of a pi squared. All right? Again, I understand a lot of times, you can't remember things. It can't hurt to use software or, go to the web and look things up. The more time you spend, the more effort you put into this, the more you're going to start to realize there's things you can't remember. And that's what's so nice about having, availability of resources. And you live in interesting times. There's a lot of resources out there. And the web is really a great place to look at these things. All right? Thank you.